Okay.
I
Okay.
remember. Boom.
Uh, so
I began to cry because sometimes I don't speak on the things I go through. And
right.
when I'm talking about it, I actually ask myself, like, you went through that?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And
Yes,
then it
ma'am.
really begins to hurt. So I began to cry. So I was at where I started using opioids.
Right.
And when I first started taking them, I didn't know that I was addicted to them.
Mm,
It was up until I no longer could get them anymore that I'm like, I need them. I need them.
right.
Then I start taking them. Okay. So this is where my life began to spiral out of control.
Okay.
I was using opioids, Percocets. First it was Narcos and then Percocets. And